Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find hidden apps on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently hide the app and now you are unable to find that hidden app, so how you can find that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version on your iPhone iOS 18. For this, you have to simply go to General, and after that, you have to go to Software Update, and you can make sure that you have installed the latest version on your iPhone. And after that, what you can do is, first of all, I will tell you how you can simply hide the app. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold any app, and after that, what you have to do, you can simply click on require face ID. So here two options are available: hide and require face ID. So here you can simply click on that, and after that you will hide that app. Now if you have simply hide that app, now how you can get that app? For example, if I hide my WhatsApp by clicking on here require face ID, and after that if I click on hide and require face ID, then it will acquire face ID, and after that you will have to find the hidden app. So here you can simply see that there is no option available, but if you scroll it down in the app library cell, then there will be option available as hidden. So you have to simply click on that. As you click on that, it will be asked when you click on that app, it will be asked by the face ID, and you can simply use that app by using face ID. But if you want to unhide that app, then you have to simply click on dot require face ID, and after that you can simply use it as simple. So here you can find that app, and now you can simply move to the add to home screen, and that app will be available again. So in this way you can simply find all the hidden apps on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you have hide that app, and if you do not find that, these are the method that you can simply follow, so that you can simply unhide or see the hidden apps on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.